Welcome to Gravel Pit Road. Here it is, the Snapper Trail Cruiser. Working on the front suspension today. You can check out my other video on it, my first video on it, where I put new tires on it, did some other work. But today the bushings are shot. I'm gonna test fit some new parts I bought and see if I can get this shock off and find out what I need for it, because the parts are no longer available through anywhere on the internet, Briggs & Stratton, anybody. We can't get the parts anymore. So I'm gonna see what it's gonna take for me to replace this, if I can even find anything like it. And that's nice and dirty and rusty. Anyway, I gotta take these bolts out here, take those nuts off, and unbolt this and unbolt that, and then pull this whole arm off, because it's not supposed to do that. That is what they call no bueno. I can see it's got bushings in it, or the sleeves are in it. Maybe I can just put new bushings. I might get lucky. We'll see. I can't believe that came out. Okay, here's the old versus the new. These will clean up. What I discovered is that the sleeve doesn't even touch the inside of the channel that it goes in. It's just the plastic bushing. This bushing right here. That bushing goes over. This goes inside the bushing, and that's what holds the whole suspension inside this housing. These are the parts I ordered in for the Snapper, the front end parts. And if it'll focus, there's your part number. And there's your part number. That's what the bushing looks like. Some kind of flexible plastic. And this, you would think, would just be a standard sleeve you could go to the hardware store and buy. But guess what? They aren't. They're some odd size. I don't know if they're a metric. It's Briggs & Stratton, and I ordered it from an actual Briggs & Stratton warehouse facility. So it goes like this. That goes in there, and as you can see, big gap. And this pushes in there on both sides. And it doesn't even cover half of it, half the distance of this tube. So these are readily available, $8 a piece from Briggs. I'm gonna order, I'm gonna reuse, I'm gonna pick the best of the 4 bushings and put the 2 best in the rear side of it, the back side, and I'll put the new ones in the front, because these are over 20 bucks a piece, and I'm not interested in just throwing money away. Had I known that, if I'd taken this apart first, I wouldn't even order the new ones. I would just clean them up and said, good enough. But since I got them, I'll use them. So this is a new one with a new bushing, which just slides over it like that. And it'll go in here on one side. Hopefully it just slides right in and doesn't fight me. And it looks like it's going to fight me. Let's see. Okay. Wow. So I gotta grease it up. Man, this snug. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. It's always something. Let me put a little grease on it. See if it'll come together a little better. Hey, that did the trick. How about that? How about that? Yeah. Try this side. See what happens here. How to get it on without messing it up? That's the question. And that's how you do it. Okay. There's one. Looks good. That's what I was afraid of. And it fell up. Oh, it's free. It's free, it's free. Free, free, free. Free, free, free. Just dropped the nut. So I can't find it. Isn't that great? Whoa! Danger. Almost got killed. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Right here. Right. Dirt in the face. Dirt in the face. Okay. Bushing out. Bushing out. All right. Get the dirt out. Take a rag, clean that out, and put it back together. Okay, I just popped those bushings in, and the second time was super easy. Now, let's see if this is going to be easy. I hope so. I hope so. This side's good. That side needs a little bend. Just a slight bend. Oh. Ever so slight. Yeah, ever so slight. Sure. Sure. Come on. Come on. That'll work. Okay. Boy, that side was much easier. Let me slap these bolts in. Put everything back together. That side is all the way through. I gotta lift this side a little bit, just a little bit again. All right. took it across that rough field, my speedometer started working. I saw 15 before I looked up. Try it again. It feels like I'm going 80 miles an hour. That's fun. That is fun. Well, that's it for this episode. I know it was really exciting watching me put some new bushings in a front end of a snapper trail cruiser. But hey, it had to be done. Might as well film it. Give you something to eat a piece of pizza while watching it. I know it's a good time. I would watch something like that. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Till next time, thanks for watching Gravel Pit Road.